friends, thank you so much for a wonderful response. You've assisted all my artisans so tremendously. So I'm so happy. Now the wheel is rolling. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu. Ma keeps all of us well. She takes all of us in care. So friends, hopes up and smile. Let's start. Let's start for the day. Thank you friends for a wonderful response this time. I'm so very happy. You have helped them tremendously. My artisans, you have helped them tremendously. And the wheel is rolling now. So, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu. Ma keeps all of us well and she takes all of us in care. Hopes up, dear. Keep smiling and let me. Yeah, breezy cottons to start with. All are hand painted saris. Number 1. Sari number 1. So decoratedly done up. Hand painted ones. The sari costs 1800 please. The sari costs 1800. This is all regular. This is like this. The sari is like this. This is on Kesh cotton. The sari is on Kesh cotton. Number 1. Number 2. Matha Padesh shari. This is Matha Pad. Beige color checks inside. These are all for 1800 dear. Hundred count cotton. All for 1800. Take a screenshot and just message me. Sari number 3. Sari number 3. Which is again 1800 please. The red one. Vermilion red. The bunches of flowers. Show them the flowers. They're beautiful. The other side of it. Oh, it's so brighten up the sari. So very beautiful. Look at the. These are for 1800 dear. This Kesh is beautiful. Sari number 4. Sari number 4 of my episode 38. The Palla. These are those Wonder Kesh. These are Wonder Kesh. All throughout decoratively done. They're all hand painted dear. If you wash it, it will hold the color. If you wash any of my saris, it will hold the color also. Yeah, these are the famous mix match ones. Number 5. Sari number 5. Block prints inside. Beautifully done up the borders to match the prints. A lot of thought behind each sari. This sari goes with the blouse. This is for 2200 dear. A very smart one. Puja morning. Oh, such a lovely view. This is also this goes on like this. Simply, oh goodness. I've opened the sari. Sari number 6. This is on Dhoni Khali cotton. A concept sari. This is Ajrak print patches down below to enhance the beauty. There is a border here, Ajrak printed border, and the triangles are all block printed. Again a thought. The sari cost 2200 with the blouse piece. These are Bapta silk saris, not the tussar ones. They are little on the higher side. Bapta silk ones, 4500. Number 7 goes for 4500. Very beautifully done up. Look at the smartness of the sari. These artisans were all starving. You've really kept the wheel rolling. It's all your effort, dear. This is number 7, 4500 please. The other side, the sari is this is the sari. And the blouse section. Greenhouse specializes on batiks. So I keep on showing batiks. This is again Bapta silk. Very comfortable one. Luster of silk is there. 4500 for the number 8 sari. All batiks, abstract. Darun Shundar Shari. Dekhun, look at the palla. Palla has a zari. Zari pallu, zari border. Fantastic one. 4800. 4500 please. 4500 for all these saris. This is the Bapta tussar. Those were Bapta silks. These are for 4000. Bapta tussar is for 4000. Each piece is for 4000. I've got a new stock now. You can come over to Kiatala Road, number 9 for 4000. This is the Bapta. Now I would like to show you the whole sari because there's a green shade inside this which looks so nice. This is for 4000. The Bapta is for 4000. It had a blouse piece. Red one. Also batik for 4000. Bapta, tussar Bapta. It is blended with matka silk. This is for 4000. And the fall is so comfortable. Number 11. This will be again in demand. Number 11. Zari border Bapta. Zari border Bapta. Friends, I've got a new stock of Chanderi silks also, but I'm unable to show The next video I'll come with Chanderi silks. These are my mix match ones again. Cottons are so very dear to you all, so I keep showing cottons. Look at the thought. We have put two types of cloth. They are wearable, they are not stiff ones. They are all handloom cloth, very comfortable ones. And there's a patch for the palla. This costs 2,400. Very smart one, black and white, always a wanted one. With this blouse, number 24. The mix match ones. Number 13. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, please, and share it with your friends. I hope it is visible properly. Look at the decorative palla. Yeah, this time I've got some Venkatgiri cotton. Very comfortable for summer use. I thought I'll put some effort on these. So I made some batiks. Number 14 is for 3,200. 3,200. Look at the batiks, the formation. You have only supported, dear, to make the artisans work. Look at the other side. They're all Venkatgiri cottons for 3,200. Sari number 32. 32 নম্বর শাড়ি দেখুন, 15 নম্বর শাড়ি। The palla is to be shown. Oh, this is the wrong side of the sari we have shown, I think. Oh goodness. This is the palla. এটা এবার থেকে দেখাতে হবে। এটা দেখুন, this sari goes like this. This is partly pallu saris. Partly pallu saris. So many are fond of partly pallu ones. They're 3,200, very comfortable materials, dear to me. I have also worn, I have also taken. Number 16, on half tussar, embroidered ones, thread work, comfortable ones, 4,200. Need not do ironing all the time, you can just wear it. After 2-3 wear you iron. Very comfortable and porous and very light to carry. Very nice ones. They are for 4200. These are half tussar. All throughout the same. They're all hand embroidered, dear. This is a lovely one again. This is half and half. 50% is our beige. Oh, lovely intricate embroidery. Look at the embroidery. These are all half and half sarees. Paisley embroidery. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You will see the notification on time, otherwise you'll get late. You'll miss everything. This is on semi-tussar. Semi-tussar. Lovely embroidery done. These are hand machine work, but a smart one as a Gicha effect border. This is only for 3200. Going for 3200. Casual wear sarees. Casual wear sarees, they're all for 3200. This is a lavish cut work. Lavish cut work. We make it on tussars also, the same design. 4900. 4900. Puja pick. Evenings also you can just steal the show. 4900. Beautiful sari for 19. This is 19 number. All throughout. All throughout. The greenhouse ones, very typical but keeps going and going. Number 20 goes for 14,000. 14,000. Sea green tussar. The quality of tussar matters. And the palla. The palla. Let me drape the sari because I wanted to show you the fall of the sari. Extremely good fall. It's all body hugging, beautiful fall. This goes for 14,000. And this is hand cut work. Hand work, cut work. Very famous one from Greenhouse. I'm confident. I'm very confident about my product. Look at the workmanship. Look at the workmanship. Handcrafted saris. They're not machine embroidery. They're hand ones. It's going for 13,600, all on Kosa tussar. The achal is also very elaborately done. Look at the achal. 13,600. Yeah. This is one of the tussars. A very beautiful one. 7,200 because of the quality and the workmanship. 7,200 for the quality and the workmanship. The sari is like this. Look at the fall and the depth of the material. This actually comes here, and the sari, the fall I wanted to show you actually. The sari is like this. It comes on the yoke, and this is the palla part of it. How decorative. Minor details are also there. This sari cost 7,200. Yes, it was in demand, and after a long time I've got this. This is on Gachi Toshor. That was also on Gachi Toshor. The previous one was also on Gachi Toshor. Number 23, 7,200. There is also a batik. So much in demand. $7,200 for this batik, and the blouse section. There is also a master craftsman's work. Tussars, people wanted to see my tussars. They are all on Gachi Toshor, 7,000 each piece. Number 24. All throughout. The foliage, the leaves are all throughout. I'll open the sari. All throughout. $7,000 for this sari. And this is our famous Parsi Jali. In colors we get, this time I've got it in mauvish pink, or you call it pinkish mauve. It's more of pink. 12,000 for this sari. It's going for 12,000 always. One of its kind. We don't give you the same color again and again. This is for 12,000. Now the last one, but a beautiful one, Kashmiri, oval Kashmiri we call it, oval shaped one. Again on a good quality tussar. Number 26, 10,800. And I finish my episode today. Look at the sari. It's a beautiful one for 10,600. Now it's your part. You keep selecting and let me know.